Imagine a world where machines don't just follow commands, but think, learn, and make decisions with the wisdom and creativity of a human mind. A world where artificial intelligence not only assists us, but challenges us, outsmarting us in ways we never imagined possible. Sounds like science fiction? Maybe not for long. Today we're diving into the fascinating and somewhat unsettling question: how far are we from achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI? And when that day comes, will we be ready for it? The holy grail of AI. Let's start by clarifying what AGI actually is. While today's AI, like the one powering your favorite voice assistant or recommending videos on YouTube, is incredibly advanced, it's still considered narrow AI. That means it's designed to perform specific tasks, like recognizing faces, translating languages, or playing chess, but it lacks the ability to generalize across different tasks. AGI, on the other hand, would have the cognitive abilities of a human. It could learn any intellectual task that a human can, adapt to new situations, and even improve itself over time. The dream of AGI isn't new. For decades, scientists and futurists have envisioned a world where machines could think and reason like us. The concept was first popularized in the mid-20th century, with pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laying the groundwork for what would eventually become the field of AI. Today, the idea of AGI continues to inspire researchers and technologists alike. But how close are we to making that dream a reality? To answer that, we need to look at where we are today and what challenges lie ahead. Recent breakthroughs. In the last few years, we've seen some staggering advancements in AI. The development of large language models like GPT-4 has brought AI closer to human-like understanding than ever before. These models can generate text that is not only coherent, but also contextually relevant, often indistinguishable from what a human might write. GPT-4, for example, can compose essays, create poetry, and even hold conversations that feel eerily human. But here's the thing. While these achievements are impressive, they're still examples of narrow AI. These models excel in specific tasks, but they don't understand the world as we do. They lack true reasoning, creativity, and the ability to apply knowledge across different domains. In short, they're powerful, but they're not AGI. The question then arises, what would it take to bridge this gap between narrow AI and AGI? The answer isn't just more data or larger models. It's about fundamentally rethinking how we build and train AI systems. This includes developing AI that can not only learn from vast data sets, but also reason about the world, make decisions in complex, real-world situations, and adapt to new challenges as they arise. The path to AGI. First, let's talk about technological hurdles. One of the biggest challenges in creating AGI is developing AI that can plan and reason in a way that mimics human thought. Current AI systems are what we call greedy planners. They rely on quick, immediate information to make decisions, often missing the bigger picture because they lack the computational power to evaluate all possible outcomes. For instance, if you ask an AI to plan a complex project, it might give you a list of steps that seem logical on paper, but it won't be able to adapt if something unexpected happens. This lack of flexibility is a significant barrier to achieving AGI. To overcome this, researchers are exploring new approaches such as online non-greedy planning, which would allow AI systems to consider multiple possibilities and adjust their strategies in real time, much like a human would. Another challenge is world models. Humans have an innate ability to understand and predict the world around them. We can imagine scenarios, anticipate consequences, and make decisions based on incomplete information. AI, on the other hand, struggles with this. For example, if you tell an AI that Sally gave John a book, it can understand that John now has the book. But ask it who had the book first, and it might get confused. This is because AI doesn't truly understand the world. It only processes data and patterns. Building robust world models is essential for AGI because it would enable AI systems to reason about physical and social environments in a way that is grounded in reality, rather than just simulating behavior based on past data. This requires advances in both the architecture of AI systems and the way they are trained, potentially involving more sophisticated simulations and real-world interactions. Then, there's the issue of learning and adaptation. Human learning is a lifelong process. We constantly adapt to new information, refine our understanding, and improve our skills. For AI to reach AGI, it must be able to do the same. Current AI systems can learn, but the process is often slow, resource-intensive, and requires vast amounts of data. Reinforcement learning, where AI improves through trial and error, is promising, but it's still in its infancy and far from replicating the speed and efficiency of human learning. One promising direction is the combination of reinforcement learning with human feedback, where AI systems learn from both successes and mistakes, guided by human trainers. However, scaling this approach to the level required for AGI remains a significant challenge, requiring not only more efficient algorithms, but also advances in hardware and computational infrastructure. Ethical and safety concerns. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: ethical and safety concerns. As we inch closer to AGI, the potential risks become more apparent. One of the biggest fears is that AGI could go rogue. If an AI system becomes as intelligent or more intelligent than humans, what's to stop it from acting against our interests? This isn't just the stuff of science fiction. Experts like Elon Musk and organizations like OpenAI have expressed serious concerns about the potential dangers of AGI. There's a real possibility that if AGI is not properly controlled, it could lead to unintended consequences, from mass unemployment to AI monopolies. And even, in the worst-case scenario, the loss of human control over the technology we created. To mitigate these risks, many believe that global collaboration is essential. Leading AI companies, governments, and researchers must work together to establish guidelines and safeguards. For example, initiatives like the Frontier Model Forum, where companies share information to make AI safer, are already a step in the right direction. But the question remains, will this be enough? One of the most critical aspects of this collaboration is the development of ethical frameworks that ensure AI is used for the benefit of all humanity, rather than being controlled by a few powerful entities. This includes creating transparent and accountable AI systems, where decisions made by AI can be audited and understood by humans. When will AGI arrive? So, when will AGI actually arrive? This is where opinions diverge. Some experts are optimistic, predicting that we might see AGI within the next decade. They argue that the rapid advancements in AI, coupled with increasing computational power, could lead to a breakthrough sooner than we expect. For example, a study published in July 2023 estimated that AGI could be achieved as early as 2028 in a best-case scenario. However, others are more cautious. They point out that technological breakthroughs often come with long periods of stagnation. The Gartner hype cycle, which describes the pattern of innovation, suggests that after the initial excitement of a breakthrough, there's often a trough of disillusionment where progress slows down. In this view, we might be several decades away from AGI, with predictions ranging from 2032 to 2048. The reality is, predicting the arrival of AGI is incredibly difficult. It depends on factors we can't fully anticipate, including technological advancements, research breakthroughs, and even global events that could either accelerate or delay progress. Furthermore, the journey to AGI is not just about technological capability, but also about the societal and ethical readiness to integrate such powerful systems into our lives. Even if we achieve the technical milestones required for AGI, there will still be significant challenges in ensuring that it is deployed in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. The impact of AGI. When AGI does arrive, its impact will be nothing short of revolutionary. Take healthcare, for example. Imagine an AGI that knows every medical paper ever written, has billions of hours of clinical experience, and is available 24/7 to diagnose and treat patients. Such a system could transform healthcare as we know it, making it more efficient, accessible, and affordable. But with such power comes significant risks. For every positive application of AGI, there's a potential negative one. AGI could be used to create autonomous weapons, conduct surveillance on an unprecedented scale, or manipulate public opinion on a massive level. The ability of AGI to improve itself also raises concerns. If an AGI can create the next generation of AGI, what's to stop it from evolving beyond our control? The potential for AGI to outpace human oversight and understanding is a key concern for many experts. Ensuring that AGI remains aligned with human values and interests will require not just technological solutions, but also ongoing ethical reflection and global cooperation. Where do we stand? So, where does all this leave us? The journey to AGI is filled with incredible potential, but also significant challenges and risks. While we're making strides in AI development, we're still grappling with the technological, ethical, and societal implications of creating machines that could one day surpass human intelligence. What's clear is that AGI will be a game changer, and how we handle its development will shape the future of humanity. It's crucial that we approach this technology with caution, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the potential consequences. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think? How far are we from achieving AGI? Do you believe it will happen in our lifetime, or do you think it's still a distant dream? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.